Thank you so much for tuning in. Again here, I know we promised you more recipes to come, so we got some more here working on the Argentinian grill right here. Teres Major from the Pit Master, David from NYButcher Shoppe is going to tell you what he has going right now, and I cannot wait to try this beauty over here.
Quite a unique cut. It comes off of a chuck, so Teres Major is again another subprimal off of a primal of a chuck. Chuck's really iffy. You know, it's made for more like pot roast and things like that. At the NYButcher Shoppe, we use the majority of it in our grind. So the Teres Major is, to me, eats like a fillet. I call it a mini fillet, you know. I can basically kill, you can tell they're kind of small, I can kill one whole steak, you know. But the good thing about it is it's economical, so you can kind of play around with it. If you mess up, it didn't really hurt the pocket, you know. The recipe that I did today with the High Choice Teres Major is bourbon brown sugar. Teres Major, which we feature as one of our proteins of the month that we do monthly at the NYButcher Shoppe. So the recipe will be connected to, you know, down at the bottom of the link, or if you get our emails from the NYButcher Shoppe, you'll be getting that recipe as well. So I replicated that one. It's a pretty popular recipe, being the fact that it is required bourbon in the recipe, and I actually got a pretty good deal on a really nice bourbon. So I use Woodford Reserve as the bourbon to be in this recipe, and normally I'm a drinker of that instead of an eater of that, but like I said, I scored a pretty good deal, so we're going to use that bourbon in this marinade. I think it's been sitting about 16 hours.
I cannot wait to try this.
So yeah, and the Teres Major is quite unique because, like, you know, cows, they have a Teres Major. Well, humans, we also have a Teres Major as well, and it is a really good piece of meat, and it does require a little bit of skill when you're you know, taking that piece off of the chuck. But chuck steaks are always really good for me. I like the Denver steak. It's a really well marbled piece of meat. I like to play around with that one, know that it didn't hurt the pocket. And then also another one is the chuck-eye steak, which is known as the poor man's ribeye. It almost looks exactly like a little mini ribeye. We sell all three cuts at any NYButcher Shoppe.
Perfect. Don't forget, everything that we have here on the grill is a CAB, so definitely it's going to be having that tenderness, and it's going to be the best of the best. We're going to have that bite. So you can get any of these products right now in all the NYButcher Shoppes. So we're gonna have more recipes coming out, but let's see how this baby turns out. It's gonna be ready pretty soon. Okay, so we are cooking this. If you can see here on this big flame over here, also we are highlighting the Premium Kick Axebreaker Charcoal. This Quebracho wood is perfect. It's gonna engage all these flavors. So let's see.
Yeah, it's always one of the great things for me to cook with the Axebreaker Charcoal, because, you know, if you're gonna spend a little bit of extra money and go certified Angus beef, which, you know, is the only type of beef that I eat, but when you go with certified Angus beef, it just increases the flavor, you know. As long as you don't burn it, you can't go wrong with it. But the Kick Axebreaker, to me, is the only charcoal that I cook with, because for a premium meat, I need a premium product to cook my meat on.
Amen.
You know, so yeah. And then of course with Rodrigo's nice setup here, we're always grilling, friends.
We're gonna have a lot more videos coming on this Argentinian grill, custom built. Shout for us, baby.
cool things also about us at the NYButcher Shoppe is that we carry a wide variety of different types of beers as well as wines. I think our very first video I paired our meal with the wine. So I wanted to highlight some of our beer features. So our last video we used the Stone Buena Vista. With this recipe here, being that it is marinated in bourbon, selection recommended by a good friend of mine was use a bourbon aged type beer. So this is Allagash Creole. It is a bourbon barrel aged. So it's, you know, the beer's aged in the bourbon barrel. So you're going to get that note, but you're also going to get like subtle notes of vanilla and oak. And I mean, this is a really great classy beer right here. We carry it at some NYButcher Shoppes, if not all. I know the Augusta Street location carries it. So I mean, with pairing it with the bourbon recipe like the bourbon marinated Teres Major, it should go really well.
Definitely.
Give it a try.
Definitely. I can tell as soon as I try this beer, I can taste the caramel and the vanilla. So this is gonna be like a perfect beer for summer. Or you can pair with this type of cut, or you can also drink it by itself. But hey, be careful. I just wanna let you know, take note, it's actually 10.2% alcohol content. So don't get too happy on the beer, but you will enjoy this. It has a very nice taste. You will really enjoy it.
Just remember to drink responsibly, my friends. Okay, drink responsibly.
Don't drink and drive,
Yeah, no
but you can drink and grill.
Yeah, but definitely drink and grill. At least you're drinking and grilling at my house. You know. So we're gonna try our meat that we cooked today.
Perfectly cooked. Look at this. Amazing. I'm gonna get closer. Perfectly cooked. Oh my god.
Yeah,
That's
beautiful
really
color on that one there. Really good.
Really good.
Really good. I mean, sitting it for about 16 hours really made a difference
Oh, okay.
on that marinade. With our beer.
Well, very nice bite. Definitely, baby, you did a great job. Thank you so much for making these great recipes.
It goes really well.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
That's delicious.
This is amazing. So you guys, hey, keep sending us any message you guys want. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are very happy to have this channel right now. We're gonna keep this coming. We're gonna keep bringing these beautiful pieces and premium products from NYButcher Shoppe. Of course, we're gonna always use our Premium Quebracho Charcoal from Kick Axebreaker. So hey guys, keep on grilling.
Yeah, you know, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And then if you're also in the Greenville area and you want to come visit me at the Woodruff Road store, again, you know, we also have some really great class butchers at the Augusta and the Pelham Road store as well. We can always help you out. Definitely swing on by. You know, I can recommend some beer pairings, wine pairings with whatever recipes. I definitely like to talk meat.
Definitely,
We
I do
always
like
have
to
the
use it
Axebreaker
too.
Charcoal.
Definitely, just come and visit David or all the NYButcher Shoppe. They're gonna be great on taking care of you and finding the great product for you to put on the grill. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again on the next episode of Cooking with Kick Axebreaker. Thank you guys so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.